In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage credentials n8n. Managing credentials in n8n keeps your automation secure and maintainable. Credentials are the saved connections that let your workflows talk to external services without exposing secret values inside nodes. Today, we'll walk through how to find them and the key actions you can take to keep them organized. Start by going to n8n.io and open your n8n workspace. Whether you're using the cloud version or a self-hosted instance, the navigation will look similar. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose Personal. This area contains your account level options and items tied to you as a user. Next, select Credentials. Here you'll see a list of the connections available to you. Each entry typically shows a name, its credential type, who owns it, and when it was last updated. Clear names and short descriptions make it easier to know which workflows rely on which connection, so it's worth keeping these tidy. Pick a credential from the list, then open the menu by clicking the three dots to the right. This overflow menu is where you'll manage that specific item. You'll see options to open it, delete it, or change its owner. Open lets you review the configuration. This is helpful for checking scopes, endpoints, or other non-secret details, and making sure it still matches what your workflows expect. If a service has changed policies or permissions, updating the credential here ensures your automations keep running smoothly. Avoid placing secret values directly in workflow nodes. Credentials keep them stored securely. Delete removes the credential from your workspace. Because workflows may depend on it, pause for a moment and confirm nothing critical will break if it's gone. Consider archiving the name in your documentation so teammates know it was intentionally removed. Once deleted, you'll need to recreate it if you ever need that connection again. Change owner transfers control to another user. This is useful when responsibilities shift, someone goes on leave, or a project moves teams. Assigning the right owner helps with accountability and access control. Depending on your workspace's permissions, only certain roles can transfer ownership, so make sure you have the appropriate rights. To keep things healthy long-term, use consistent naming, include a brief purpose, and review credentials periodically for relevance. With these simple actions, you'll have a clean, secure set of connections that your workflows can rely on without interruption.